Jake Boyd here with Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. I want to talk to you today about this 2020 Coachmen Catalina 293 QBCK LE. It's a lot of numbers, a lot of stuff going on inside, a lot of letters in there as well. So let's have a peek and see what really sets this guy apart. So what you have here is a bunk quarters trailer. It's 29 foot and change floor plan. So you can actually pack quite a bit inside. What Catalina does that's really nice and that really sets them apart is they really give a residential feel, and they give a really nice division of space inside. So let's walk around and some of the features outside, then we'll head inside to kind of really get a peek at what sets them apart. So you have your big pass-through storage here, quite a bit of space in there for bins, bikes, trays, grills, really whatever you need to make the outdoor space as comfortable as the indoor space. Solid step, these carriage all the way up into the door frame. They can be adjusted to any height, really nice, no bounce step there. A lot of people really love them. Double axle gives quite a bit of stability. And plus, when you have the bunk quarters here, you get to make use of the space that's underneath that bottom bunk with a carriaging out system for an outdoor grill. You have a canister grill, you have a basin sink, and you have an outdoor fridge as well. So you can make quite a bit of use of the outdoor space as well as the indoor space. So let's go inside and see what this has going on inside. Right off the bat, the residential feel on this is really, really nice. Nice light wood, so all the light that comes in stays in. It's all kind of facing this media center here with a electric fireplace plus your sound system. Electric fireplaces crank out quite a bit of heat, don't take a lot of energy. So if you're not in a situation where you need to protect your tanks from freezing, that'll do pretty much all the work you need to warm up this space really, really well. Sound system is Bluetooth capable, really helps out for, you can cast to it with music, video, and anything you have already carrying on you, you can already bring it along with you. Plus there's a ton of media storage here too, up top and to the side, as well as below. And if we head into here, it's one of also the really nice things that Catalina does, solid doors between the spaces. You have your queen size walk around bed in here, complete division of space, which is always really nice. And the closets don't come all the way down, so you have you don't feel cramped in, and you have a lot of space on either side for anything you need really to keep at hand. Great hardware here for your sink, as well as your 3-burner stove, microwave, and oven. You have it all at hand. And what you have that this is all facing is a really nice setup for your lounging, your dining. U-shaped Dinette always is gonna give you quite a bit more seating than a booth, and nobody's gonna feel as though they're pinned against the wall. Plus you can add some chairs around it as well. If you're gonna convert that into an extra bed, then it's gonna turn into a much bigger bed than a booth would too. But you also have your couch here. It's a trifold couch, it's a hide-a-bed. It's gonna turn into essentially like a twin bed there. So if you need some extra sleeping beyond what's already actually in the bunk quarters, you have quite a bit more accommodations in this rig than you would in pretty much anything else. You have in here, what's a nice feature, what they usually offer in anything that has bunks. You have a nice tub, you have a great vanity, and actually some counter surface and some storage in there as well. So the bathroom is really actually quite spacious. And we're head into the bunk quarters. I really like this kind of arrangement with the L-shaped kind of bunks and having your kind of modular futon on the bottom here too. Offers the ability to get up and in really easy and have quite a bit of a versatility of the space instead of deciding essentially that it's going to be split for you. These modular bunks, these modular beds down here, they can be really just moved out into the main room for extra seating, really moved anywhere. They can fill in the entire space in here as well. Plus, you have some nice windows back here off the rear. There's plugins for a television as well as storage. And that is beyond the actual kind of closet space here, which is super deep. It goes all the way in. And you also have a closet space and kind of storage for your foldeds right here. Any questions about this trailer, or if you want to have a peek at it, stop on by and say hello or drop a line. My name is Jake at 773-655-7190. Thanks.